guys, welcome back to Last Moment Tuitions. I am Dhruvi and today we'll be looking onto a numerical question. So the question is, we need to calculate the Q point values of IC and VCE. मतलब हमें calculate करना है IC and VCE का value that are the Q point के parameters for the voltage divider bias circuit as shown in the figure. Assume that the transistor is a silicon transistor and the value of beta is given to be 100, okay? Also the value of VCC is equals to 10 volt. So these are the parameters that are given to us. Let us start solving. So हमारा step 1 क्या होगा? Step 1 will be to draw the Thevenin circuit. So first we need to draw the Thevenin circuit. So here what we will do for Thevenin circuit? By opening the circuit of the base terminal, we obtain the open circuit and Thevenin equivalent resistance हम उसके बाद ढूंढ सकते हैं. So the value of RB will come out to be R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2. So यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं R2 का value is 4.7K into R1 का value is 9.1K upon R1 is 9.1K plus R2 का value is 4.7K. On solving this, the value of RB we get is 3.1 kilo ohms. Okay. So now once we have calculated the value of RB, यानी कि RB के value के मिलने के बाद it is possible to calculate the value of VTH. So the value of VTH is equals to VCC, that is input supply, into R2 upon R1 plus R2. Okay. This we have already studied in Thevenin circuit diagram. So just substituting the values जो हमने already पढ़ा है उसके ऊपर, VCC is 10 volts, R2 is 4.7 kilo upon R1 का value is 9.1 kilo plus R2 का value is again 4.7 kilo, and on solving the value of VTH comes out to be 3.4 volts. Okay, so we have considered the Thevenin circuit and have received the value of RB and VTH. Now the circuit diagram, how to open the circuit and how to write the Thevenin circuit diagram के equations have already been covered in the earlier video. So now what we'll do is, to calculate the value of IC, we need to apply KVL to the base loop. So what we'll be doing is applying KVL to the base loop. Okay. Now base loop यानी कि क्या? What first we'll do is इसको हम convert करेंगे Thevenin equivalent circuit में. So it would look something like this. This is VCC. ये हमारा RC, that is 1 kilo ohms. फिर हमारा BJT, ठीक है? This is RE, that is 560 ohms. This is the value of RB. Okay, यानी कि R1 R2 का जो हमने Thevenin circuit से निकाला, the value of RB is 3.1 kilo ohms. Okay, and the value of VTH that we received was 3.4 volts. Okay, so this is the, you can say, Thevenin equivalent circuit. Okay, so this is our Thevenin equivalent circuit. This is, you can say, VCE plus minus VBE. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll apply KVL. Okay, यहाँ पर. So the value will be VTH minus IBRB minus VBE minus IERE is equals to 0. Now सारे करंट को हम in forms of IB लिख देंगे for our convenience. So VTH minus IBRB minus VBE minus IE is equals to IC plus IB, right? IC is beta times IB plus IB. So IC can be written as beta plus 1 times IB. So IE को मैं directly लिख दूंगी beta plus 1 times IB into RE is equals to 0. Now IB के terms को सब एक तरफ लिखते हुए VTH minus VB is equals to, इसको इस साइड लेके जाएंगे. So IB RE 1 plus beta and ये term को भी इस साइड लेके जाएंगे. So plus IB RB. So IB इसमें common है. So this will be 1 plus beta times RE plus RB is equals to VTH minus VBE. Now we know the value of VTH, VB and all these terms. IB is unknown. So IB will be what? VTH minus VBE upon RB plus 1 plus beta times RE. Okay, from this equation. So the value of IB is clear to us. Now to calculate the value of IB, we'll just substitute the values of the voltages and the resistances. So substituting the values in the equation, VTH was 3.4 volts minus VBE is 0.7 for a silicon transistor. Then the value of RB we found was 3.1 kilo ohms plus 1 plus beta given to us was 100 into the value of RE. The value of RE is 560 ohms. So that is equals to 0.56 kilo ohms. On solving, we get the value of IB as 45.25 microamperes. Okay. Now once we calculate the value of IB, we can calculate the value of IC using beta IB. So beta is 100 into 45.25 microamperes. We get the value as 4.525 milliamperes. Okay. So now one of the consideration is done, that is to find the value of IC. Now what we need to do is we need to calculate the value of VCE as well. So in the previous diagram, let us consider again KVL to the collector circuit. Okay. Now you can see over here. Now we need to apply KVL to this circuit. Okay. So let us write what it is. So it will be VCC minus ICRC minus VCE minus IERE is equals to 0. Now we need to calculate the value of VCE. Okay. So this will be VCC minus ICRC minus IERE is minus IERE. Okay. Now substituting the values. Okay. So on substituting the values, we get VCC minus ICRC. To simplify this, we can write this as 1 plus beta times IB RE. Now we have the value of IB, we have the value of IC. Okay, from the previous equations, we have the value of RC, RE and VCC. So on substituting, we get the value of VCE is equals to 2.91 volts. And therefore, we have calculated the two parameters that was required to calculate the Q point values. Okay. So this is how we go around when we solve the numerical. It is not at all necessary to remember or by heart the equations, because as seen अभी हमने क्या किया है, we have also derived कि कैसे हमें procedure follow करना है. तो अगर हम भूल भी गए अगर कोई फॉर्मूला, तो सेम प्रोसीजर हम फॉलो करेंगे एंड देन विल गेट आवर आंसर. सो इट इज नॉट एट ऑल नेसेसरी टू बाय हार्ट एंड गो. एंड आई गेस आप लोग को ये न्यूमेरिकल समझ में आया रहेगा. इफ एनी डाउट्स, write to us in the comment section below and please share it with your friends as much as possible. See you in next lecture. Till then, bye bye.